What's up, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to all my returning clients. Much love and appreciation as always. If you're new here, my name is Hayes. I'm a veterinarian and a sneakerhead, hence the Shoe Vet, and welcome to today's sneaker appointment. We'll be going over the Air Jordan 1 Black Game Royal, also known as the Royal Toe. I'll probably just call it Royal Toe just for simplicity's sake. This shoe had a special access release back on April 29, 2020 that I somehow never got blessed with, which rarely happens on sneakers. I mean, you see my track record here. I mean, you guys see my track record. It's abysmal, sad. It's actually pretty depressing, but you know, the sneaker gods bless me and I can't thank them enough. The widespread general release is going to be happening on May 9, 2020, so as of recording and uploading this video, you likely only have somewhere less than 24 hours to ask yourself, do you want this shoe or not? And I'm here to help you answer that question. Most of the retailers are going to be your foot size. There's a lot of raffles going on, but your biggest drop is going to be on sneakers at 7 a.m. Pacific time. Make sure you're on time. Don't think you can get on at 7:03, 7:06, whatever, and think you can cop this shoe in your size, especially if it's a size 10 or below, because you will be met with that sold out in your size screen. Retail price of this shoe is going to be $170, which is an okay price, but a lot of people compare this shoe to the Fragment ones, and with the price range of that, it ain't happening. I will gladly take it. You know, a lot of people call these Royal Toes the poor man Fragment ones, and if that's the case, I'm just fine with that. I'll be that poor man, that cheap man, that broke man, that frugal man. That's me. I'm as man's as this. That's all me right here. I have no shame. That's just fine with me, okay? But yeah, $170 plus shipping and tax, neither here nor there. I know you guys are here for the shoe, so let's go ahead and hop into the lab and jump into it. Now, we love going over presentation as usual here, so we're gonna start with the box. We got our traditional bread box. So we have a black base color with bold red lettering. You got your Nike print on the top of the box as well as on the sides. On one side of the box, we got our sizing tag right here, as you can see. I got mine in my shoe to size 9.5. And then of course, per usual, as standard protocol, we'll be going over sizing and comfort later on in the video. Flip open the top and you are met with your cardboard interior inside the top part of the box. Inside it, you do have your tissue paper as well as an extra set of laces that does come in a royal blue colorway, which I just love. These are definitely going on the shoes when I unds them. I love the contrast it gives to the shoe. And then of course, we bring out these bad boys. And on initial impression, clean, simple. I love the way this shoe looks. The color blocking and the materials pretty much do most of the talking itself. And on a shoe like this, I think that's a really great look to it. Now, going over the colors and material of the shoe, the official colors of the Royal Toe are black, white, and game royal. Materials being rubber, nylon, as well as leather. Breaking down the shoe, we're going to start at the tongue. You do have a nylon tongue that is padded with some foamy foam. At the top of the tongue, you do have a Nike Air emblem that is in a leather material. And it's an okay leather, you know, an okay leather. I've definitely felt better, but altogether, it's an okay leather. Nailed it. But yes, follow along, sneaking down cranily towards the toe box of the shoe. We are met with our first instance of that royal coloring on the toe box that is perforated in that same leather material. Surrounding the outside of that toe box, pretty much encapsulating it, you do have a black leather mud guard. Now when we move back caudally towards the back of the shoe from that mud guard, we are met with my favorite part of the entire shoe, this white panel right here. I love this white panel because it definitely gives a nice break between that bichromatic, you know, black and blue color. To me, the 27 Royals that this shoe obviously is a throwback to, I think this was a little dull just having those two colors, but this white definitely gives a lot of contrast, definitely gives a lot of pop to this shoe. I really love how they color blocked it. Speaking of contrasting, the Nike swoosh has also changed from the 2017 Royals. It used to be a blue, but now it's a black. So again, it really has a really nice standout pop with that black on white. It's one of my favorite color combinations. The only one to me that I think tops it is, well, red, you know, the black and red, especially on a shoe like this. I mean, come on, Jordan, Chicago, black, red, it's just there. What are you guys' favorite combination? Let me know down below. Is it white, black? Is it red? Is it, you know, green and black? You know, let me know what you guys are feeling down below. Back to the swooshes. Both of the swooshes meet on the back of the shoe on the Achilles. Just above the Nike swooshes, you are met with that high collar. You have 2 Nike wings in that black leather material. On the lateral wing only, you do have a white Air Jordan logo that's embossed into it. Just above that, the high ankle collar, it comes in a royal blue color on the outside, lined with black foam on the inside. Follow me along. Just ventral or beneath those Nike swooshes, you are met with a heel counter in the black leather. And then beneath the entire upper, you are met with a monochromatic or one color white midsole that does have your air unit encapsulated inside of it. Concerning the outside of the shoe, you do have an all rubber outsole with a typical Jordan traction pattern. A Nike emblem is embossed kind of in the middle of it. Moving to the inside of the shoe, you do have some padding of some black foam. The insole is semi-removable. I only say semi because it is kind of stuck to the bottom of the shoe. But if you try enough, you definitely can remove it. And of course, like I said, beneath that, you do have your air unit. And that's pretty much gonna do it for the breakdown of this shoe. Now, when we get to sizing is your traditional Jordan size. And to me, that is my true to size. So I got this in a 9.5. All my Jordans are pretty much 9.5s. Fits me perfectly, never fails. It's nothing really special or anything like that concerning sizing on these. So go with whatever sizing you've been doing for your Jordans. As far as comfort goes, you know, you have your air unit as well as your rubber outsoles. So it's a pretty chill ride. It's nothing like React or Boost, but it is pretty chill. I can wear these pretty much all day without having my feet ache. But it's a Jordan, you've probably been there, so you know what you're getting as far as comfort. As far as how to style these shoes, I mean, it's, you know, it's a Jordan 1. I mean, it's a pretty versatile shoe, goes with a lot of things. The color blocking is amazing on here. You know, black and white goes with almost anything. Then you have the primary color of blue, so you can really mix and match a lot of different outfits for these shoes. So it's very wearable. You can wear, you know, pants kind of on the slimmer side so that fit inside the ankle collar to show off the entire shoe. Or you can kind of have some wider leg pants that kind of drape over the shoe. That way you only have the royal toe peeking out, as well as that Nike swoosh kind of peeking out too as well from underneath your pants. I think that'll look really nice though because of that white panel that does kind of, it's almost kind of like an eye catcher. It really demands a lot of attention to bring your eye down there, in my opinion. So I think that look will look pretty cool too as well. I may even throw that in my on-foot portion. As far as resale predictions, I mean, right now, early pairs are going for about like $250 plus or minus based on your size. These will definitely come down after release, you know, as all your pairs go out into circulation. So I wouldn't cop, if you do take the L, I wouldn't cop immediately. Wait till all the pairs get out. If this shoe follows the course of the core purples, it'll likely have a lot of restocks too as well. So again, don't beat yourself up if you do take an L this Saturday. You know, there's likely going to be a lot of different chances. But I think with all that out the way though, guys, I think that's pretty much going to conclude today's sneaker appointment. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the subscription button down below, as well as the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next appointment. Again, working on my goal before I hit 100 videos. Hopefully I'll be at 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm trying to get to 1,000. Slow and steady wins the race. I'm not expecting to blow up or anything like that. But, you know, just help me out on my goal. Really appreciate it. So the only thing left for you guys to do is just sit back and watch the on-foot portion. I'll see you guys next appointment.